said that this is quite literally the easiest vehicle you could ever possibly work on. Like with fuel injection and shit like that. Huh? Fuse number 18. Fuse number... Why isn't it off yet? There she is. So we want to start with taking these ignition coils and spark plugs out. Yeah, she's getting a little old here. And I know you're probably thinking, oh, it's the batteries, but no. I've tried using the good one. I don't know where it went. But last time I used the one that I wrote good on it because it was good. Last time I tried using that one, same story. Yeah. Let's see, I'll show you. All right, so I've discovered why I couldn't get the spark plug out. I kind of figured that after taking a second to glance at it, you know how like on this one, you got these like straight lines, you know, and then that thing kind of attaches to it. That one doesn't. There is no good news. I have to find the strip screw set thing. You can't see that, but just take my word for it. It is rounded. All right, so it's the next morning. I haven't gotten a 5/8 strip bolt tool thing. So yeah, we're gonna start with taking off this grill here, and then we're gonna take off this intake duct that goes down to the alternator, is what it looks like. Yeah, the alternator, and then we'll take off this duct here, this intake box here. And then eventually we'll take off this intake manifold. I have to figure out how to do that though, so we're gonna figure it. I'm sorry for this beginning being a little choppy and like all over the place over like a 3-day period. But I didn't know that like half of my footage was corrupt completely. I don't know if you've seen it glitched out, and then I literally lost like an entire day's worth of like footage, but it's fine because I'm pretty sure it was just me rambling about, because there wasn't really much done between whenever I had footage and when I didn't have footage, and when I had other footage. You get the gist. Just wanted to apologize for it being jumpy. And it was at, what the f***? Why is my camera screen, what the f***? Can't have shit nice here. Good thing there's a screen protector on now. What broke it? Oh my goodness, the G7X has had better days. It's been a year. Literally a a year since I recorded this video, and discovered that I don't have any video files, like with audio, none of them. They're all just time lapses. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, because it's just going to be straight up time lapses of me finishing taking this engine apart and finishing straightening up my trunk and cleaning that up for paint and painting it probably. I don't know yet. I haven't watched the footage. It's been a year. I don't really care at this point. But what I'm saying is, next video is going to have a lot of talking in it, I'm sure, as long as my shit isn't messed up. I do remember now, though, my SD card was having an issue, and it was only able to record time lapses, so I think I only recorded time lapses. I thought I recorded on my phone, though. Checked on my phone. Homie doesn't have anything on there either, so gonna enjoy the rest of this time lapse. You can click off now if you want to. This video is gonna be 30 minutes long of time lapse, so I put all these in, so I might just kind of jumble them all together towards the end here, just real quick, like, you know, snap them up. My dog obviously sees something that's really important out there. Have anything nice around here, except for that. That's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this clip like dead in the middle of all this. Literally none of it is audio. So I'm gonna go ahead and just waste the time of just sitting here and explaining this while this camera focuses. Enjoy the rest of the time lapses, because that's all there is. and gentlemen, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was, because half the time my fat ass was sitting there on my phone or left the time lapse running for about 25 minutes. So I had like 4 videos that were literally just nothing. I literally just went away completely for like 25. But what I'm saying is, I hope y'all didn't just click off the video. There's so much going on right now. I just cleaned at least 3 things. I do hope you enjoyed the video, though. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't, I completely understand. This was absolutely horrible on my part. I'm sorry about that one, but I mean, just enjoy the next couple ones, I guess.
I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. Got out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear out my eyes, hit record. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no.